Mugyera gwa Nyamwamba buruwire bw'enjura nigukira kuboga gutwara abantu n'ebintu byabo. Gavumenti kuyabirebire biri biti yashohoza sente z'urukwingana biliyoni 17 n'obucweka mwenda kombeka amabaare omu rubaju rw'omugyera ogu kwenda ngu amizi gatakagaruka kutwara abantu bitu abeebembezi nibagira ngu eki kibaasa obutabahwera.
True, the works are going on with some challenges, nevertheless with some successes. Among the challenges was that recently, when it flooded on 23rd of April, it is true it affected some works, including the destruction of some gabions.
There is no work done downstream, this may be rendered useless. But if the whole sketch is covered, then that's when we shall realize the benefits. We do appreciate what has been sunk in. As a community, people are really appreciative, but we are worried that if the downstream is not worked upon, then we may not achieve the overall goal of having this.
Patrick Shamashanjira, kansara wa Kyanjuki Ward, nagira ngo abahirwe contract egi tubarabandize kwebuza abeebembezi okuba kubasa kombeka ekidongo eki.
Is that the river is too big and these people, the contractor, did not consult the local community for guidance because the gabions they put were too narrow, yet the river is wide.
Abeebembezi nibagira ngu bakabire nibenda gavumenti eyombeke entindo ezashinyukire ahabwokuba ngu nazo zicyumbagize obuhereza.
It has happened and they are still working. It must give them an experience and they must call that one an experimental something, because now they have seen it, they are still working and they have seen their gabions falling in water. So it means that they need to improve on what they had done, because it has shown them that even though you are doing this, we are here coming.
There are some points where the operators were not excavating the depth according to the measurements that are in the bill choose. So immediately we have detected that. They are now going to repeat whatever was destroyed and also improve.
Mugyera gwa Nyamwamba nugukira kuboga omu kwezi kwa katano obw'enjura eri kubera nyingi omu kyanga eki. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.